Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to back up on Android phone. Here's a simple guide with some steps to back up your Android phone using your Google account. First, unlock your Android phone. Start on the home screen or open the Settings app. Open Settings. Tap the Settings icon or the gear shaped. Scroll and tap Google. In Settings, scroll down and tap the Google or Accounts and Backup on some other phones. Tap Backup. Under the Google section, go to All Services, then find and tap Backup. Check Backup account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account you want to back up to. Turn on Backup by Google One. Toggle the switch to turn on Backup if it's not already enabled. Tap Backup Now. Tap the Backup Now to start backing up your phone's data immediately. Wait for backup to complete. Stay connected to Wi-Fi and let the backup process finish. Verify backup is done. You'll see the last backup time and date when it's completed. You can also check your backup in your Google One app or online. Take note, this backup includes your apps, call history, device settings, contacts, photos, and SMS messages depending on your settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.